Hi! Ethereum's commissions income has fallen by more than 60% amid market uncertainty. You're on my channel, I am Max Yeliseyev. BTC have price $104,000, Ethereum $3,300, Solana $240. Cybersecurity losses reached $98 million in January 2025. According to Odaily, CertiK Alert reports that losses due to vulnerabilities, hacks and fraud in January 2025 amounted to $98 million. Around 8 million of this was due to phishing attack. However, the total losses were lower than in January 2024, when hacker activities led to losses of around $193 million. Ethereum's commission income has dropped by more than 16% due to market uncertainty. According to Odaily, IntoTheBlock reported on Platform X, the Ethereum's commission income dropped more than 16% this week. This decline is attributed to lower network activity caused by market uncertainty. Turkish court drops organized crime charges against Thodex founder. According to PANews, the 22nd District Court in Istanbul dropped the organized crime charges against Thodex founder Faruk Fatih Özer, but kept the fraud charges and extended his detention. Özer was accused of defrauding over 400,000 users after the Thodex exchange collapse in 2021, causing losses of $2 billion. In September 2023, he was sentenced to 11,000 years in prison. His legal team plans to seek a reduction of the sentence, noting that the legal process is not yet finished. Thodex, once the leading exchange in Turkey, suddenly shut down in April 2021, leaving users unable to withdraw their funds. Özer fled and was caught in Albania in 2022 before being extradited. Early their court found him guilty of money laundering and fraud, but recent rulings indicated insufficient evidence for some of the charges. Vitalik Buterin reveals his cryptocurrency assets. According to Odaily, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin recently revealed on Platform X that his Bitcoin holding make up less than 10% of his portfolio. He emphasizes that Ethereum remains his primary investment, and all assets not related to Ethereum together account for less than 10% of his total assets. Purpose Investments introduced the world's first spot XRP ETF. According to PANews, a Canadian assets management company Purpose Investments has filed preliminary prospects with Canadian security regulation for the world's first spot triple ETF. The ETF aims to invest most of its assets in XRP, providing investors with opportunity for long-term capital growth within regulated frameworks. Purpose Investments, which manage assets worth over $23 billion, previously launched the world's first Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Founders themselves noted that growing institutional adoption of XRP led to the creation of this innovative product aimed at lowering entry barriers for investors. If approved, the product will undergo review by the Canadian Securities Commission with specific trading fees and risk conditions to be detailed in the final prospectus. British gang convicted of kidnapping and extorting a cryptocurrency investor. According to Cointelegraph, 7 members of a British gang were convicted and sentenced to prison for kidnapping, torturing and extorting a cryptocurrency investor. The victim was subject to multiple attacks and forced to transfer cryptocurrency worth £100,000 over several months. ECB official confident inflation with stabilization at target levels. According to Blackbeats, on January 31, European Central Bank ECB Governing Council members Olli Rehn expressed confidence that inflation will stabilize at the target levels as expected. He also indicated that monetary policy is likely to become less restrictive in the near future, likely in the spring and summer months. Matador explains Bitcoin holding and plans to launch a digital gold product. According to PANews, Canadian tech company Matador announced the acquisition of 3.38 BTC for 500,000 Canadian dollars at an average purchase price of $102,000 per Bitcoin. After this acquisition, Matador now holds approximately 65 Bitcoin and plans to purchase an additional $315,000 worth of Bitcoin in the near future. In addition to its Bitcoin assets, Matador revealed that it holds around 2.3 million Canadian dollars in cash reserves and 2 kilograms of physical gold valued at around 264 Canadian dollars. The company disclosed plans to integrate the tangible value of physical gold with Bitcoin blockchain technology and intends to launch a digital gold product in Q1 2025. Thank you for watching, and those were all the hot news from the last 24 hours. This was Max Eliseu. See you in the next.